XRP to $500. SEC loses lawsuit. Senate confirms XRP system. Ripple XRP ready for US dollar collapse. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we're going to discuss the XRP price after the lawsuit and will it rise or fall? But before we start the video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also, hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
XRP is a cryptocurrency issued by Ripple and is among the top 10 crypto tokens by market cap. In recent months, it has had its fair share of controversy, with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, filing a case against the company behind the crypto asset and its executives. The lawsuit focuses on whether XRP is a security or not. A multi-million-dollar question has not been answered satisfactorily for years, determining the kind of future the digital asset has. While the case's announcement led to a massive slump in value for the asset at first, the token has since rebounded, thanks mainly to retail investors and traders pumping its value, plus the general bull run of the crypto industry towards the end of last year. Ripple has been in existence for a while. It was created back in 2004 as Ripple Pay, but the case of its innovation came too early for its time, as it made no significant mark then. However, it returned in 2012 as Ripple, and soon after launched the XRP token. Ripple XRP is unlike any other cryptocurrency. XRP is a product of Ripple Labs, and the current price is around 62 cents. It differs on many levels, and this includes, it is not blockchain-based. Unlike most of the cryptocurrencies in existence, the coin does not operate on blockchain technology. Instead, it is based on the Ripple protocol technology, which means it has no use for a distributed ledger database. This uses gateways linked to servers of the company in multiple countries of the world to verify and process transactions. It cannot be mined. While the mining process is considered an integral part of all tokens, it is not the same for XRP. The limit for XRP coins is set at 100 billion coins created by the company. Over 35% of that coin has been released into the market. The rest is held by the company that releases it periodically to control the supply and circulation of the token. The cryptocurrency is a deflationary one, as the number of coins in the market reduces with each transaction. Relationship with banks. This virtual asset is centralized, and its parent company, Ripple Lab, strives to create partnerships with traditional financial institutions like banks. The company sells its RippleNet technology to these institutions, thereby increasing the popularity of its native token, Ripple XRP. RippleNet technology is a system that connects banks and facilitates cross-border payments and settlements. Due to the differences between Ripple XRP and other cryptocurrencies, it also has some advantages. Some of them are transaction speed. This is one of the most significant selling points of Ripple technology. The swiftness of transactions surpasses other cryptocurrencies and beats that of SWIFT wire transfer, the commonly used system in traditional banking. This makes it a better alternative for banks to facilitate cross-border payments, as its XRP transactions are exceedingly fast. The Ripple transaction protocol is quite efficient too. Low cost. Traditional banking system transactions and that of some cryptocurrencies tend to incur hefty transaction fees. But with digital currency, this fee is drastically reduced to a pittance. Reversibility of transactions. Another positive for it is that the transaction can be reversed or edited to deal with an error if there is one. All these features have enabled the Ripple network to gain significant partnerships among traditional financial institutions, and it has also influenced the growth in value of Ripple XRP over the years. 4 years after its creation, the coin value was so inconsequential that it was almost worthless. Before 2017, the value of the asset hovered around 0.01, but this soon changed as the token began to gain wider coverage, and it also leveraged on the bull run of the crypto industry in that year. By April 2017, XRP rose to 0.05. The gradual climb soon continued as it reached 25 cents in May. After this, there was no going back for the asset, as it had snared the attention of crypto enthusiasts who saw the value it created and the potential it had. The value of the asset rose all through 2017 and into the early period of 2018, where it got to an all-time high of $3.84. But this was soon followed by a massive drop in value that affected every other cryptocurrency too. Many had labeled the incredible run of the industry as just a bubble, and like every bubble, it was going to burst. This was exactly what panned out in the case of the 2017 crypto industry bull run. Towards the end of 2019, its price stabilized at around 30 cents and did not cross the 50-cent mark all through the year. This means that Ripple XRP hasn't been able to build on its old glory since then, as its value never got to as high as even $1. However, the bullish run of 2020 that was ignited towards the end of the year helped the value of the asset to ascend. The value of the token got to as high as 80 cents before finishing the year at 66 cents. Early 2021 was supposed to be a continuation of the rise of XRP value, but that could not happen due to the SEC's announcement of a lawsuit. Upon the announcement, some exchanges delisted XRP from their platform. Many of those holding the token also sold in panic. This led to the value of XRP plummeting to as low as 0.166. However, it has picked up again, going as high as 0.755. Ripple at present is trading between 40 cents to 50 cents. Looking at this overview, it is easy to see the high volatility of XRP in the past few months, which makes it difficult to have a Ripple forecast. But the volatility has not stopped analysts from making XRP predictions based on trends. It only means that these forecasts can change at the slightest notice. However, they still give a rough estimate of what to expect from them. As of now, the entire market is going through a bullish sentiment due to the rise of Bitcoin after the bearish trend, and might continue to do so. That Ripple price prediction will consider the most optimistic outcomes. There are several predictions as to what the Ripple forecast would be in 2021, which necessarily reflect the position of the market. This includes its peak prices, what would be worth by the year end, and its lowest value within the year that we see right now. According to Moody's research, investors can expect 2021 to be a good year for blockchain, with a massive increase in standards that will directly influence Ripple price. Ripple's XRP already has development plans in motion for 2021. Given how past developments or even announcements have led to an increase in the value of XRP, the currency might reach $2. This will happen if the actions of Ripple technology lead to a partnership with more financial institutions. In the past, XRP's popularity and, by extension, its increase in value has been heavily influenced by the partnership with these traditional institutions. More partnership will mean more adoption, which invariably means higher value. However, it is not so simple for XRP. The SEC lawsuit complicates the whole issue even further. Before the SEC filed the case, the outlook for XRP was positive, even if it did not make many optimistic. But the lawsuit cuts its breakout short and makes a Ripple price prediction trajectory more challenging, unlike other cryptocurrencies. Considering how difficult it is to predict a digital asset accurately, it is even more difficult for XRP. More traders are acting bearish with the XRP cryptocurrency after the lawsuit, raising fears that it could drop to below 10 cents. However, the price pump by retail investors and traders has allowed it to pick up again. If anything, all these events show how extremely volatile cryptocurrency can be. If XRP should experience a real breakout in 2021, it can reach its all-time high of over $3. But that looks very unlikely as long as the SEC lawsuit hangs over its head. According to Coinpedia, even with the lawsuit hanging over its head, Ripple XRP will trade at an average of 65 cents by the end of the year. The firm based its predictions on expert opinions that the currency will be worth 83 cents on average by the end of January 2021. This, of course, did not happen. Thus, the highest projected price for the year is $2, while it could also go as minimum price prediction is 10 cents if the SEC lawsuit is not settled in favor of Ripple. In 2021, there are various firms that have made their version of XRP price analysis. XRP prediction by Wallet Investor suggests that the price of the coin in 1 year will be at $1.04. Another prediction by Digital Coin puts the XRP price forecast at $1.01 by the end of 2021. This, of course, is relative to the position of XRP in the cryptocurrency market, with the current price at 60 cents. There are multiple opinions expressed about XRP price predictions. That's it for today. We'll see you next time. Until then.